Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic importance of business environment. In previous session we have discussed the concept and features of business environment. Dear students, after going through this unit you would be able to describe the importance of business environment. And it is not sufficient to know only the meaning of business environment. The more important aspect is to know as to why we want to study it. In other words, what is its importance? So, in this session, we will discuss the importance of business environment one by one. First importance of business environment is identification of business opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Second is identify threats and give warning signals. Tapping useful resources, coping with rapid changes, assisting in planning and policy formulation, and improvement in performance. So we will discuss in detail one by one. First, environment provides numerous opportunity for business success. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. For example, Samsung identified the popularity and scope of smartphones and role of the popular and advanced Google developed Android, whereas Nokia failed to identify the scope and continued to use its Symbian OS. Paytm seen the opportunity of becoming a leader in digital payment system during demonetization period. These are some example of business environment. Next is threats and early warning signal. Environment awareness can help managers to identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. For example, political instability in Ukraine kept the investors away from investing in the country. If a competitor is planning to import the latest technology products at cheaper rates, shutdown of operations due to spread of COVID-19 around the world caused decline in the prices of stock market. Uh, Environmental awareness helps the managers to identify various threats. It provides the business early warning signal to plan its future course of action. One more example, entry of multinational companies in Indian market gave a warning signal for the domestic industries to make some preparation like cost reduction, improving quality, reducing wastage, etc. Next importance of business environment is it helps in tapping useful resources. Environment provides various resources to the business like material, machinery, water, finance, electricity, labor, etc. Government announced reduction in custom duty if goods were imported from Korea. This is the example of this point. Government reduces rate of interest on loans. Suppliers offers discount on raw material. Next importance is it helps in coping with rapid changes. Business environment is highly dynamic, such as changes in market condition, technology, competition, etc. To cope up with these changes, managers must be dynamic. This is possible through proper environment scanning. Next importance is business environment assisting in planning and policy formulation. Environment scanning gives vital information which can be taken as the basis for deciding future course of action or planning or framing guidelines for deciding uh, policy formulation. Next importance of business environment is business environment helps in improving performance of the business or organization. Those enterprises which continuously monitor their environment and adopt suitable policies will improve their performance. With continuous scan of business environment, companies can easily improve their performance. These are the importance of business environment. Thank you. In next session, we will discuss the dimension of business environment.